Ngai, Itu, Kira Kira Inana, Yerpina, Wilakali, Umachuku, Wuttu, Kumakula, Ilagu, Kaipu, Karanki, Ikimandi, Wilakalina. And what I just said, hello, welcome, this is our country. We remember Wilakali people, old men and old women, yesterday, today and tomorrow. This land is, and always will be, Wilakali.
NAIDOC Week, National Aboriginal and Islanders Day Observance Committee is an Australian observance lasting from the first Sunday in July until the following Sunday. NAIDOC Week celebrates the history, culture and achievements of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
NAIDOC Week celebrations are held across Australia each July to celebrate the history, culture and achievements of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. The week is a great opportunity to participate in a range of activities and to support your local Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander community.
NAIDOC Week celebrations are held across Australia each July to celebrate the history, culture and achievements of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. NAIDOC is celebrated not only in Indigenous communities but by Australians from all walks of life.
We recognise the First Nation people who have occupied and cared for country for over 65,000 years, who are spiritually and culturally connected to this country. We acknowledge and celebrate that our nation's story did not begin with documented European contact. The very first footprints on this continent were those belonging to First Nation peoples. For us, this story begins at the dawn of time. It is about hearing and learning the true history of this country. We want all Australians to celebrate that we have the oldest continuing cultures on this planet and to recognise that our sovereignty was never ceded. Always was and always will be Aboriginal land.
NAIDOC Week is primarily celebrated by Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people in recognition of their culture, history and achievements. These celebrations are often open for other Australians to participate in too.
On Monday the 29th of June, there'll be a virtual assembly.
On Tuesday, the 30th of June, we'll be learning about dreaming stories.
On Wednesday the 1st of July, we'll be doing NAIDOC art.
On Thursday the 2nd of July, we're going to move it mob style.
On Friday the 3rd of July, we'll be doing Aboriginal games. So wear your NAIDOC shirt and or the colours red, yellow and black.